2 creams, 28 days, resulting in the perfect canvas. So Superstar Game Changer works on reduction of open pores, oiliness, fine lines and wrinkles and laxity, reduction of sebum production and breakouts, reduction of scarring, smoothing of skin texture, and also works on soothing and hydration. Hero Concentrate Brightening works on reduction of brown pigmentation, i.e. melanogenesis, to prevent brown pigmentation and blemishes, reduction of vascular, pinkish or purplish pigmentation that you might find under your eyes or around your face, reduction of redness and rosacea, and also works on soothing and hydrating. Combined, they result in the perfect canvas. To obtain the perfect canvas, I use Superstar Game Changer initially 3 times a week at night, and then I build up to every night to develop tolerance. With Hero Concentrate Brightening, I use it in the morning and evening, but if you want to just start in the morning, that's fine. I also like to mix it with Superstar Game Changer in the evening. Apply a fingertip of that, so pea-sized of each gel cream on a clean face and neck, applying an upwards motion across the jawline, the face, the forehead and down the neck. Remember to always use SPF in the daytime because retinol is photosensitive. The formulation has been carried out so it's compounded, powered and potentiated by BAC12, our patented molecule to adapt to your skin cells, releasing it according to your needs, using your skin cells to fix you, resulting in the perfect canvas.